Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you the split command. So I made this really weird form. I don't know what it's supposed to be, but that doesn't matter. Alright, so essentially if you want to split something, you're going to have to create a surface, and luckily I've already done that. And you want to make sure that the surface is covering the entirety of your object. You don't want it to be overlapping at all. This one's pretty close, but it's fine. And yeah, so once you know that they are all covered, you're going to select your object that you want to split. You're going to type in split, hit enter. Now you're gonna, it says select cutting object, so you're gonna select these, hit enter, and now let's go ahead and just select these. We're gonna raise them up, and if this worked correctly, yep, there we go. It split the object at each intersection. So it's important to note that when it splits, it will create an open poly surface, and you will have to patch to make it solid if you so desire. Something else you can also do is you can use this while drawing. Say you have, let's make a weird shape here, right? And let's say you want to split this line up somewhere. So you're gonna type split, hit enter, just like this, hit enter, and now it has created all of these different segments. So yeah, that's the split command.